Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial series wherein I'll be showing you how to select invisible elements on a web page. So if you remember from the last video, we set all the span tags to display none, and we tried to select all the visible elements and everything was shown except the span tags which are on invisible. So in this video we're going to try to select the invisible elements. So I'll just set the span tags to display none, and also let's just say the p tag which has the class of container. Okay, so we'll say p.container just to make it a bit more complex. All right, so we'll go back to our browser and refresh, and we'll say var invisible. So we'll create a variable to store our invisible element, and then we'll start selecting from the body tag. So we'll say body. So now instead of saying dot find, we're just going to say dot find, find me every element inside there using the star that is not visible. Okay, so we'll just pass in not, and we'll say pseudo visible here. So you might be thinking that why didn't we just say find and pass in pseudo here as we did for the visible element selector? And that's because jQuery does not understand if you say invisible, it will throw up an error. Okay, so that's why I use this here. So I'll press enter and we'll see invisible. Let's check the variable invisible, and when I press enter, as you can see, everything that is not visible is being shown to us in this selection here. So these script tags as well, they are not visible because they shouldn't be shown on the page, so they are showing up here. So you can filter them out and say do not show me script tags. So let's do that actually quickly. So let's say var no script equal to, so we already have these elements inside the invisible variable, so we'll say invisible.not, and then we'll just pass in script, press enter. So now when we look at the no scripts variable, the script tag should not be shown there. Only the invisible elements, which are normal HTML elements, have been selected and stored inside the no scripts variable. All right, so that's how you select invisible elements on your web page. I thank you for watching. I will see you soon in another video. Cheers, bye bye.